Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin immediately by checking prerequisites. Game version 1, 4+ and night tracking enabled because spawn windows differ by version. Once done, equip your stealth loadout, cloak, sound damp boots, scent mask, since detection drains time. Move to the southeast ridge at dusk and set movement to half speed. This preserves your stamina and expands detection radius. You do this because pandas in 99 nights favor low-noise approaches, so reduce signal and start scanning now rather than waiting for midnight. Now you move into the complex middle steps. Use pulse scan every 30 seconds to detect faint heat blips. This regular cadence prevents missed spawns. As you sweep, maintain a 16:9 camera aspect and scan in 45-degree arcs to methodically cover terrain. Place a bait exactly 10 meters from your waypoint, then retreat 12 to 15 meters into cover so pandas will approach the bait without spotting you. You do this because controlled lure placement increases encounter probability substantially. Finish by timing your capture. When the panda nears within 6 meters, apply a half-dose tranquilizer to avoid panic because full doses can cause flight. Once subdued, slow walk to 3 meters and use a soft net or your capture skill. This ensures a clean catch without breaking stealth. If nothing appears after 2 cycles, relocate 200 meters and reset your tracking pattern because spawn clusters shift. A key troubleshooting tip: if detection fails, check night tracking and swap bait type immediately to reset aggro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.